Hello everybody, welcome. Now this is a recipe, well it's not a recipe, someone has asked me to do this. I've never done it before, I've never even had it before, but it's nice and simple. And I've always wanted to try one, to be honest with you, but I've never just got around to making one or buying one from the shop. So I'm going to make one. So let me show you all the ingredients, what I've got. Right, I'm going to make corn dogs. Never done it before. I think corn dogs, I think they're Korean, ain't they, or something, or... I know they do have them a lot in America, but I think they come from Korea, or I don't know. Now, I couldn't get any cornmeal. Not at all. Tesco's, Morrison's had none in. So I've got to go to one on the barrel and I have to get maize meal. People have said it's the same online, said it's similar. So I'm using that anyway. Got no choice. So I've got 150ml of flour, plain flour. I've got 2 eggs. Teaspoon of baking powder. Bit of sugar. 3/4 of a cup of that cornmeal or maize, whatever it is. 1/4 of a cup of sugar. I've got 8 wieners. These are the ones I got. Them ones there. From Tesco, 150 they were. I put them in there so they're all dried out now. 180ml of milk. And before I do anything else, I've got a pan full of, well, half full of oil. I'm just going to get that heated up before we start anything. There we go. Now basically all you do, he says, is put all your dry ingredients in there first. I'm going to get all them in. I'm looking forward to this one because I've never done it before. I'm going to get a little mix first to start. Then I'm going to add the wet ingredients then. Eggs. And milk. And then I'm just going to mix it until you get a batter. Supposed to be quite thick apparently, so I'm just going to keep mixing. Right, that's quite thick now. So I'm going to put that in this jar. It says use a glass, but I've only got 1/2 pint glasses, I ain't got a big one. So I'm going to put it in there. I have cleaned it all out in that. Probably go all over the floor now, me. Right, that's all in there. Let me just wipe it. Right, I'm going to get my wieners. I'm going to cut them in half because I think they're going to be too big otherwise. And I want to try another one that I've seen online as well, which is a little bit different. That'll do for them ones. Now I want to get my skewers. Get them in the end. These are only thin skewers these, so they might break, but I don't know. Might have to chop the ends off the skewers. Right, I've done 3 like that. And I've done 3 poking through. Because they're for my next thing in a minute, which I'll show you, which I'm going to try. I'm going to get some flour first on these. Get them dipped in the flour. Got the flours done. I'm just going to take the excess off. And I'm going to dip them in there. Bring it out slowly. And I'm going to put it straight in the pot. Oh, get a bit more. No, I've knocked it all off the side, look. Bloody useless at times. Get it all covered, come on. Don't be shy. Come on. It's going to go straight in the pot now, it should be hot. Yes. About 3 or 4 minutes till it goes brown, I think I said. I might have to move them. So it's popping. Straight in. Get it in. There we go. Looking nice. Turn them over halfway through. Give it a turn. Turn. Now what I've done, I've got a bowl. I'm just going to stick them on top of there. Went up to the shop and I didn't get any thingy paper because I forgot. Stuck, look, that one. Don't know if I could do it a bit longer or not, I'm not sure. I'm not sure they're supposed to be really crunchy or not. So I'm going to leave them on there. Now I'm going on to getting on to the next ones. I'll leave that pan on. So, I got these were 99p from Aldi for the little cheese blocks. So I thought I'd get them instead of cutting some cheese up. So there it is. Let me cut it up in half. We'll pull it on, like so. Right, I want to dip this one in the flour. Then into there. Right, I'll dip them in flour. I'm going to stick them in here. And then I'm going to put it in here. Do you know what that is? Let me show you in a second, hold on. I don't know if it'll work. We'll find out. It's crumble mix. Thought I'd try it without doing breadcrumbs. Try it with crumble mix and see. It's this stuff here. Crumble topping. That I had in the cupboard. Why not? If I can get it all in. If it will stick properly. I'm going to stick that straight in. And do another one. I'm going to keep these ones quite big. I want to see the work. Right, these ones are done. Bit burnt. Couldn't get that third one in time. These are done that quick. I'm not sure about them ones. I did say breadcrumbs. I ain't got time to do that third one. That fat's all gone now, look. So, there we go. They haven't come out the best. First attempt. They went really quick, that did. I was surprised in about, what, 30 seconds, a minute it was done. Wasn't watching. They look sort of, I suppose, don't they? I don't know whether they're cooked in the middle, I ain't got a clue. I'm going to leave a couple to the sides, because Nat might want to try one. And I'll put some sauce on these ones. She doesn't like the chilli sauce and that. I'm putting chilli on mine. Some ghost chilli. Bit of ghost chilli on it. Why not? And a bit of fiery buffalo and all. There we go. We will give it a taste test. It's gone very dark in this kitchen. There we go, it's a bit lighter. It wasn't really dark then, I don't know why. Taste test time then. Right, I'm going to try the normal one first. Don't know, I'm just going to try it anyway, so I've never had them before. Oh, I like them. I don't know if they're supposed to be crunchy, the normal ones, are they? I'm not sure. They're not crunchy, but they're really nice. That's a thumbs up for that one. Absolutely thumbs up. Now the cheese will come out. Let's have a look. Will the cheese come out of there? We'll break it. Oh yeah, we've got the goo in this. Only a little bit though. It's got a nice crumble taste to it, sweet crumble. It's got that, I know that much. Probably better with breadcrumbs, I suppose. It is nice. It's a bit very sweet. We can get it out, get it off. Well, there it is, that one. It's okay, but I prefer them. Maybe next time I'll try it with breadcrumbs instead. See if Anne wants one, I'll let her try. See if she wants one. I'm going to get one to Anne, she's not coming on camera. That's a corn dog. It's a normal one.
A normal sausage.
Yeah, just eat, see? Don't know what you think. Yes, no?
It's okay. It's alright.
Yeah? Try this one.
That's not too bad.
Try it, this is my concoction. Try that one.
It's a bit dry.
Bit dry? I didn't find it very dry. When I put sauce on mine. That one's got cheese in the middle.
I like that one.
You like the cheese one?
That one's really nice.
You prefer, see, I prefer the other one. She prefers the one with the cheese in. It's a lot sweeter, ain't it?
Actually, it is a bit sweet now. I've had 2 bites. Which one would I pick?
Yeah.
I'd pick the first one.
The normal one. Yeah, the
Very
normal one, and me. It's far too sweet, isn't it?
That was very sweet. You know, I've had 2 bites. The first bite was lovely.
Yeah.
The second bite's really sweet.
Yeah, it's very sweet. I use this crumble mix, crumble topping.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, to see what it'd be like. Far too sweet, isn't it?
I prefer this one over.
Yeah, the normal one. There you go, normal one. I've tried it. I do like the normal one. I don't know if it's supposed to be crunchy, I ain't got a clue. There you go, it's done. Nothing else to say. Yeah.
First one all day long. I quite like them actually, they're quite different.
They're nice, aren't they? I bet they're very fattening though.
Yeah, first one, lovely.
Yeah, first one me as well. Next time I might try it with some breadcrumbs so we can get that crunch on it. So I am the old food. Oh, I kick then. I am the old food guy. Just like, just subscribe. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye. I'm cleaning all this mess up now. Mess everywhere.